Remember that shady play-to-earn game that I reviewed back in 2023 and called a scam? Well, get a load of this. Since posting that video, every single player I've talked to was denied access to withdraw their funds. But wait, there's more. I recently logged into my account just for kicks and giggles to see what was going on, and boom, everything's gone. All my miners, all my crypto, all of my energy, gonorrhea. Now, I know this wasn't done by a hacker because I didn't even have close to enough energy to even make a withdrawal, which was required. And my miners are gone too, so I don't even think there's an option to sell them on this game since there isn't a marketplace like there is on Rollercoin. And just a heads up, the reason why I'm not using footage of my account to prove that all my crypto and my miners are gone is because a few days ago when I logged in, the site was up and running. But today, when I'm trying to film this video, I can't get into the site. This is the screen I get. So they may have just pulled it off and taken everything with it. I'm not sure what's going on. So for new players or anyone who is interested in checking this game out, don't invest your money in this scam, project. And if that wasn't enough to convince you not to flush your money down the toilet, here's a list of more red flags that really grind my gears. So right off the bat, when you click the taskbar, you're confronted with something fishy. All the rewards revolve around shameless self-promotion. Make a video about us in a positive way and upload it to YouTube. That instantly should raise some concern. Subscribe to this, subscribe to that, and here's my favorite. Leave a positive review about the game on scamadvisor.com. Heavens to Murgatroyd, this reminds me of those shady business owners on Facebook who try to pay people $5 a pop to leave positive reviews of their companies on Google or Yelp. Now, aside from all of that, there's virtually no activity on the game. All of the updates under news revolve around sales and self-promotion. Dark Mania, which was an option on the game, flat out disappeared without a trace. There are no signs that I can find of the team addressing people having their assets refunded. The only thing that's new is that there's no longer energy and all my crap is gone. Folks, stay away from this project. If you don't believe me, play the game for free and don't pump any money into it. I'm making this video so that you don't end up Crap Creek without a paddle like all of us Bitcoin Mania gamers did. Thank you for watching, and until next time, save that money.